Thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Kimberly McIntyre and I'm here with my best friend, my cousin Renee, and we are going to be making mango chia pudding, which both of us have had chia pudding a lot, and we've made it different ways, sometimes with coconut milk, change out our milks, add bananas. But today we're going to be doing something completely different and adding mango. So she is leaving me tomorrow, which I am not excited about, but I want to send her with something special to have in the car on her way out. And so we're going to give mango chia pudding, have some bowls that she can throw away, and make an easy morning because they're leaving super early. So we're going to get to it. 1 cup of almond milk, 3/4 cup of mango, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of sea salt. And we're gonna blend this up until it's smooth. Okay, and we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of chia seed. I'm gonna go ahead and add it directly in here, but you don't wanna blend it up because you want those to stay whole so that they actually puff up, making it more like a pudding. And I wanna tell you the reasons why you should be adding chia seeds to your diet, and it is because it is high in fiber, helps you to feel full longer. It can actually flush weight loss, gives you a lot of energy because it's a slow digesting carbohydrate. And there is a slew of other reasons why you want to add it to your health routine. Every day, you can just put some in your water and just drink it like that. It's kind of fun. A little teaspoon.
I love how they absorb the water and expand.
So we're going to add that. Give it a little stir. And what you're going to want to do once you put it in the jar is about every 5 minutes, you're going to want to shake it just for about, I don't know, 15 minutes so that it's nice and smooth.
Don't shake it for 15 minutes. Shake it every few minutes.
Yeah. Shake it once every 5 minutes. Do that 3 times so that it is well incorporated, and then you will have a smooth pudding. So I'm going to put hers in this little jar so she can put it in her cooler, and then she'll just top it with whatever kind of fruit she wants to add, or coconut flakes, cacao nibs, you know, just making it a superfood. Just making it a superfood breakfast or snack or whatever she decides to do with it. And it smells really good.
It smells delicious.
You know, you could even add a little bit of turmeric to this. I might try that next time.
Anti-inflammatory.
Yes. You got all kind of good old stuff going up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a toss, a shake. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shake before we put it in the refrigerator. And then we're gonna do this 3 times every 5 minutes. And then let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. And then they can just dish it out in the morning, have a yummy breakfast.
Get your arm worked out.
Yes. Well, I have enjoyed your family being here. This is the 2nd year that she has done this. They come right after Christmas and stay through New Year's. And I'm personally hoping that becomes a tradition, but who knows what the future brings, right?
Yeah, you never know.
But here's to a happy and safe way home. We're always looking forward to our next visit.
Yeah.
But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. And if you will remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends so that I can grow my business, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
Hey, Cousin Kimberly, we just wanted to say thanks for the delicious mango chia pudding that you sent home with us last week. Did you like it?
I loved it.
And I'm gonna make it for breakfast for tomorrow, so thanks.